Tired of sweating in summer and shivering in winter? Imagine one sleek device that keeps you cool and cozy all year round. Welcome to our countdown of the 7 best wall-mounted air conditioner and heater combos you can buy right now. If you're searching for a unit that delivers both reliable cooling and efficient heating, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through my hands-on experience with each product, sharing honest insights, standout features, and a few surprises along the way. Make sure you stick around until number 1. There's a powerhouse at the top you won't want to miss. Number 7. GE Smart Electronic Air Conditioner. Starting off our list is the GE Smart Electronic Air Conditioner, a 12,000 BTU unit designed for large rooms up to 550 square feet. At first glance, the GE impresses with its Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control settings from anywhere using the Smart HQ app. The installation process is straightforward, and I appreciated the alerts for filter cleaning, which help keep maintenance hassle-free. In terms of cooling, the GE delivers solid performance. Even on hot days, it kept my test room comfortable without breaking a sweat. The smart features, like remote operation and scheduling, are genuinely convenient, especially if you're the type who forgets to turn the AC off before leaving home. The unit's eco mode is a nice touch for those looking to save on energy bills. However, there are some drawbacks. The power saver mode, in my experience, is less effective than advertised. The temperature swing between cycles is wider than I'd like, sometimes leaving the room warmer or cooler than desired before the unit kicks back on. Another issue I noticed is the noise level. While not the loudest, it's definitely noticeable, especially at higher fan speeds, which could be distracting in a bedroom or office. Durability is another area where the GE could improve. Some users have reported issues with longevity, and while mine performed well during testing, the build quality feels a bit less robust compared to higher-ranked units. Price-wise, it sits on the higher end for its feature set, which makes the drawbacks more noticeable. Number 6. Midea 12,000 BTU Smart Inverter Air Conditioner. Next up is the Midea 12,000 BTU Smart Inverter Air Conditioner, a unit that's gained a reputation for quiet operation and energy efficiency. Right out of the box, the Midea stands out with its unique U-shaped design, which helps reduce noise and improve window security. The inverter technology means it can modulate power usage, keeping your room at a steady temperature without frequent cycling. During my testing, the Midea excelled at cooling, quickly dropping the temperature in a 550 square foot space. The app integration is smooth, allowing for easy adjustments and scheduling. I also appreciated the dehumidifier mode, which made muggy days much more comfortable. If you're looking for a quiet AC, this one is a top contender. On its lowest setting, it's barely louder than a whisper. However, installation can be tricky, especially if your window isn't a standard size. The included kit is comprehensive, but it took more effort and time to get everything sealed properly compared to other models. Another potential downside is heating performance. While it does offer supplemental heat, it's not as powerful as some competitors, so it may struggle in larger or colder spaces. Energy consumption is a mixed bag. While the inverter compressor is designed for efficiency, I noticed it used more electricity than expected during extended use, which could add up over a long summer or winter. Number 5. Whirlpool 12,000 BTU Air Conditioner. Moving up the list, the Whirlpool 12,000 BTU Air Conditioner brings a blend of power, convenience, and reliability. This unit is designed for rooms up to 550 square feet and comes with a range of features that make it a versatile pick for year-round comfort. One of the standout aspects of the Whirlpool is its 3 operating modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan only. During my tests, the cooling mode quickly brought down the temperature, and the dehumidifier was a lifesaver on humid days, removing up to 2.6 pints of moisture per hour. The programmable 24-hour timer and remote control add to the convenience, letting you set your preferred schedule and make adjustments from anywhere in the room. Installation is straightforward, with a well-designed kit that fits most standard windows. The Eco mode is genuinely effective, turning off the compressor once the desired temperature is reached to save energy. I also like the auto swing feature, which ensures even airflow throughout the space, and the air filter is easy to access and clean. The Whirlpool's build quality feels solid, and the unit operates quietly enough for most living spaces. I found the digital display and touch controls intuitive, making it easy to fine-tune settings. The auto restart feature is a nice bonus, ensuring the unit comes back on after a power outage with your previous settings intact. Overall, the Whirlpool 12,000 BTU air conditioner is a well-rounded option that balances performance, convenience, and efficiency. 4. Friedrich Chill Premier Plus. The Friedrich Chill Premier Plus is where things start to get really impressive. This unit is all about precision and customization, with state-of-the-art inverter technology that delivers efficient, ultra-quiet cooling and heating 9. The standout feature here is the library quiet operation, which keeps noise levels as low as 42 dB, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or any space where silence is golden. During my hands-on testing, the Chill Premier Plus excelled at maintaining a consistent temperature thanks to its variable speed compressor. The Turbo Cool mode provides a quick blast of cold air when you need it most, while the Soft Start technology eliminates abrupt starts and stops, making operation feel seamless. I also appreciated the built-in Wi-Fi, which lets you control the unit from anywhere using the Friedrich Go app or even with voice commands via Google Home or Alexa. Installation is flexible, allowing for both window and through-the-wall setups, and the unique simple sill design means you can still open your window after installation, a rare feature in this category. The energy efficiency is top-notch, with up to 35% greater efficiency compared to traditional units, helping you save on utility bills. The Chill Premier Plus also stands out for its sleek, modern design and intuitive controls. The remote is easy to use, and the display provides clear feedback on current settings. Whether you're cooling a living room or adding supplemental heat during winter, this unit adapts to your needs with ease. 3. Cooper & Hunter 9000 BTU. Cracking into the top 3, the Cooper & Hunter 9000 BTU wall-mounted mini-split offers a premium experience for those seeking both efficient cooling and powerful heating. This model is ideal for rooms up to 450 square feet and comes with a comprehensive installation kit, including a pre-charged refrigerant line and Wi-Fi-ready controls. What sets the Cooper & Hunter apart is its whisper-quiet operation. Even at higher fan speeds, the unit remains unobtrusive, making it perfect for bedrooms or home offices. The energy efficiency is impressive thanks to the inverter technology, and the system adapts to changing temperatures without frequent cycling. During my testing, I found the heating function particularly effective. Even when outdoor temperatures dipped close to freezing, the unit provided steady, comfortable warmth. The Smart Port Adapter allows you to control the unit from your smartphone, adjusting temperature, mode, and fan speed with ease. The included remote is also straightforward, and the timer and sleep modes add extra flexibility for overnight use. The washable filter is easy to access and keeps air quality high with minimal maintenance. Installation does require professional help, as this is not a DIY unit. However, once set up, the Cooper & Hunter delivers reliable performance with a 7-year compressor warranty and a 5-year parts warranty for peace of mind. The build quality feels robust, and the unit's sleek design blends well with most interiors. 2. LG 12,000 BTU LW126HR. Runner-up on our list is the LG 12,000 BTU LW126HR, a powerhouse that combines robust cooling and supplemental heating in one sleek unit. This model is designed for rooms up to 550 square feet and stands out for its multiple fan and heating speeds, 4-way air direction, and gold-fin anti-corrosion technology. During my hands-on testing, the LG impressed with its consistent performance. The included remote control makes it easy to adjust settings from across the room, and the auto restart function ensures the unit comes back on after a power outage with your previous preferences intact. The heating function is strong enough to take the chill out of the air on cold mornings, making this a true year-round solution. Noise levels are low, especially in the Lowe mode, and the airflow efficiency is excellent, quickly circulating air throughout the space. The gold-fin coating adds durability, protecting the unit from the elements and extending its lifespan. I also found the filter easy to remove and clean, which is a big plus for long-term maintenance. One minor issue is that the fan can rattle at certain angles, but this is a small trade-off for the overall performance and reliability. The LG's build quality feels premium, and the unit's compact design fits well in most window spaces. Whether you're battling summer heat or winter chills, the LG LW1260HR delivers reliable, customizable comfort with a host of user-friendly features. 1. Keystone 23200 BTU. Taking the top spot is the Keystone 23200 BTU, a true powerhouse designed for large rooms or even small apartments. With its massive cooling and heating capacity, this unit is perfect for demanding environments where lesser models just can't keep up. During my testing, the Keystone delivered rapid, even cooling across a large kitchen and living area, and the 16,000 BTU supplemental heat capability kept the space warm even during a Midwest cold snap. The unit vents air efficiently to the outside, and the heater works reliably even when outdoor temperatures drop below freezing, a rare feat for combo units. The controls are intuitive, with a clear digital display and robust remote. The installation process is straightforward for a unit of this size, and the build quality is excellent, giving confidence in its long-term durability. The dehumidifier function is another standout, quickly removing excess moisture to keep the air comfortable. Customer feedback echoes my experience, with many praising the Keystone for its powerful performance and reliability. While the unit is on the larger side, making it best suited for big rooms or open-plan spaces, its versatility and strength make it a worthy investment for anyone needing serious climate control. If you want the best of both worlds, cooling and heating in one robust, reliable unit, the Keystone 23200 BTU is the clear winner on our list. Final thought. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and top product picks. Which unit will you choose for your space? Let me know in the comments below.